I'm Doppler 18 forecast with meteorologist Chad Evans. Weather from where you live.
Well, Live Doppler 18 is clear this evening after that rain we had earlier in the day. But boy, Iowa, Wisconsin, Minnesota, all the way back to Nebraska and Kansas, it has gone from summer to winter. Check out some of these pictures. These are from the National Weather Service and the Wonderground site. And that's a site where everyone in the U.S. takes their weather pictures and puts them online. You can access these pictures. Wonderful here. A lot of these are from Iowa and Minnesota. Notice the trees still covered in foliage, just beginning to change color in that area. And you can see that some of the limbs are actually breaking and being bent by some of the heavy snow up there. This picture actually is from Wisconsin. And again, I believe this one is from southern Minnesota, and also this picture from up in Wisconsin. Notice again, a lot of the vegetation, still a lot of leaves, and again, the fall color, and even some of the trees still green with 2 to 5 inches of snow on the ground. And overnight lows tonight are going to drop well down into the 20s, if not some teens, up in this general area. And as for us, it will not be that cool. We're going to drop 35 to 40. I mean, that's chilly, but we don't have the real solid freezing conditions like they're going to have out there. But the cold front has gone through now, but it is going stationary in Missouri. This will be a focal point for rainfall development, especially late tomorrow and on into Wednesday, and some of that's going to end up heading our way. But we've got a lot of deep tropical moisture once again. This storm out here is remnants of a typhoon that hit Japan. Going to be a major problem for California with mudslides and high winds. This is Tropical Storm Patricia, which will move into Baja California, and the remnants will move into Texas. And otherwise, there's just a lot of tropical moisture in the Pacific, largely due to El Nino from the southeast U.S. all the way back to Hawaii, and yes, even Thailand and Vietnam. So again, the conveyor belt is open, and we are well on a crash course for more rain and flooding rains for some areas, but not necessarily tomorrow. Again, a lot of clouds around, some sun, highs in the mid-50s, but here comes some of the showers on Wednesday. Scattered showers here, but the heavier rain staying just to our southwest, but a chilly day. That's 20 degrees below normal at 48. The remnants of those tropical systems will form our area low pressure to our south Thursday, so steadier rains Thursday, heavier rain staying to our south, and even some rain lasting into Friday. I-70 south, 1 to 3 inches of rain, but a lot of flooding rain in the southern U.S. Parts of Georgia already had 2 to 4 inches of rain this morning. You're looking at 5, 6, 7 inches of rain down here. So this will be a national story this week. Also flooding rain in California. For us, a ½ inch to 1 inch of rain means harvest delays later on in the week, and then a moderate to hard freeze over the weekend before it really starts to warm up next week. In fact, by early next week, highs back up into the 60s. So tonight, mostly cloudy, chilly, down to 39, winds out of the north. Tomorrow, 55, clouds, some sun. Pretty cool, though, with that northeast wind. And there's the 7-day forecast. Notice 1, 2, 3, 4 days in the 40s, and then a hard freeze over the weekend.